In this lesson we'll learn how to draw some circles. Circles, drawing circles are as easy as drawing lines, but it needs some more information. As you see, we can draw circles in two modes. One of them are with the radius and another diameter. Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to one end, and diameter is the distance from one end of the circle to another end of the circle, which passeth through the center of the circle. Now, with having all these informations, I'm going to launch the circle command, and I'm going to pan a little. Let's draw some circles here. I'm going to click and drag. We have the same rubber band effect right here. I'm going to click again and create a circle, but this circle is not that accurate geometrically. Now we are going to create some accurate circles. I'm going to launch the circle command again, and I'm going to click and take a look at my command line here. It says to specify a radius of circle or diameter. The diameter is the sub option that we're going to take a look at it. We can type the radius. I'm going to type the radius of 5 here. I'm going to enter. There we have a circle right there. And I'm going to launch. You can press the space bar on your keyboard and it's going to launch the circle again. Going to click and drag and take a look here. The last value that we entered is going to be the default value for the next circle you're creating until you change that value. So if you press your enter, it's going to create a circle with the 5 units size of the radius. Going to press the enter, and there we have that. I'm going to launch the circle command again. Going to click, and let's now see the diameter. We can type here the diameter, or we can right click and choose the diameter. Now we can enter the diameter, whatever value you'd like. I'm going to enter 3 and enter. There we have that. And let's take a look at the circle. Going to click on this small triangle there, and we have 6 ways of creating a circle, but all these are sub options, or all these are the shortcuts. Main one way of creating the circle is the center radius. The other one, all are shortcuts here for you. You can for you to access those much quicker. Go to launch the center diameter, which is the one we tried it. Going to enter and take a look. It already entered the diameter of a circle for me, and it is the 3 which we used it before. I'm going to enter, and there we go. Let's use this circle command to create some circles right here. First of all, we're going to reproduce these circles which are accurate, and notice that whichever of these circles you use to create circles, to draw circles, that is going to be the default one. Now the default one is center diameter, which is the one we used last time. I'm going to choose center radius, going to click, and going to this is 3.25. I'm going to write 3.25 and enter. this one I'm going to press the space and enter, and 5.62, enter, and this is the diameter sign which we see here. It is 8 units of diameter size, 8 units. I'm going to relaunch the circle with pressing the space and picking a point here, and with the sub option I'm going to right click and choose the diameter and type 8 and enter very easily. So now we know how to produce the circles in AutoCAD, and now we know that producing circles in AutoCAD is as easy as producing lines.